Whether you want to start a woodworking side business, elevate your decor, or create a sustainable business plan that reflects purpose, identity, and craftsmanship, few projects are as meaningful, functional, and achievable as designing and building handmade wooden trash and recycling bins from reclaimed or scrap wood. This simple project represents far more than just a container for waste. It embodies a philosophy of turning what might have been thrown away into something useful, beautiful, and profitable. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. In a world where mass-produced plastic bins dominate homes and offices, a handcrafted wooden bin stands apart as an object that carries character, story, and soul, proving that everyday household essentials can be elevated through thoughtful design. The beauty of working with reclaimed wood is that the raw material often costs nothing, reducing the financial barrier to launching a woodworking venture or adding a new product line to an existing one. Old pallets, cabinet doors, floorboards, fence panels, offcuts, and construction leftovers become the building blocks of a product that homeowners increasingly desire: sustainable, natural, and built with intention. For new entrepreneurs and enthusiasts alike, wooden bins are a perfect entry product because they allow makers to practice joinery, finishing techniques, and thoughtful craftsmanship on a manageable scale, while producing something that nearly every household and business needs. A custom wooden trash or recycling bin can transform the most overlooked corner of a kitchen, laundry room, office, porch, or workshop into a design feature that blends seamlessly with interior aesthetics. Instead of settling for an eyesore that hides under the sink or gets tucked behind a counter, people can proudly display a bin that feels like a piece of furniture, clean-lined, sturdy, and rich with the natural warmth of wood. Even simple designs can showcase the organic patterns, grain, scars, and aged tones of reclaimed material, giving each piece a visual identity impossible to replicate through store-bought options. Every knot, texture, nail hole, and weathered mark tells a quiet story, merging history with modern usefulness in a way that factory-finished plastic never could. For makers who wish to build a brand that emphasizes craftsmanship and care, such details become selling points that elevate their products from practical necessity to meaningful decor. Building wooden trash and recycling bins also reflects a shift in mindset happening across the world. People want to live more intentionally, own fewer throwaway items, and purchase goods that feel connected to values they care about. If you're enjoying today's video so far, make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every week. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational, transformations, and creative builds waiting for you. A handmade bin created from wood that might otherwise have gone to a landfill is a physical reminder that waste can be rethought, redirected, and reimagined into something lasting. This message resonates strongly with customers who are increasingly drawn to sustainability, minimalism, and authenticity. They want products that align with both lifestyle and conscience, and a reclaimed wooden bin perfectly embodies that intersection. For a small woodworking business, this emotional resonance can become a serious advantage. Instead of competing on price with cheap imports, you compete on meaning. Your work becomes an expression of environmental responsibility and personal connection. Buyers are willing to pay more for craftsmanship that feels grounded, local, handmade, and human. Even better, these bins can be customized to match modern farmhouse, rustic, Scandinavian, industrial, coastal, minimalist, or contemporary spaces, giving woodworkers the flexibility to tailor designs to customer preferences or the aesthetic identity of their own brand. Features like hinged lids, divided compartments, engraved panels, caster wheels, jute rope handles, metal hardware, or decorative trim can be added to enhance value without dramatically increasing cost. The result is an item that remains simple at its core, yet highly scalable in profitability, making it an ideal product for craft fairs, online shops, home goods boutiques, or commission-based interior projects. For those seeking to elevate their decor at home, crafting a reclaimed wood bin also becomes an act of personal fulfillment. It gives you the opportunity to turn scrap wood lying in a corner of the garage or workshop into something that enriches your living environment every day. You gain a piece of functional art that blends with your surroundings, eliminates plastic clutter, and enhances the visual continuity of your space. Instead of hiding trash and recycling containers behind cabinet doors or apologizing for unattractive bins, you proudly treat them like decor, proving that even the most utilitarian objects can express taste and refinement. At the same time, building these bins encourages thoughtful organization and environmental mindfulness. When waste has a designated space that looks and feels intentional, sorting and recycling become natural parts of the daily routine rather than chores to avoid. This ripple effect reinforces the power of design on behavior. Simple objects can make sustainable habits easier to adopt and easier to maintain. For those developing a larger business plan, reclaimed wooden trash and recycling bins can form the foundation of a sustainable business model with nearly unlimited room for expansion. They can be offered as standalone products or bundled into eco-living collections that include compost bins, countertop caddies, cabinet organizers, pet food storage, laundry sorters, or entryway systems, all designed from scrap or reclaimed wood. This opens the door to a brand narrative built not just on products, but on values: creativity, resourcefulness, environmental responsibility, durability, and the importance of everyday beauty. One successful product can become the seed of a broader mission-driven enterprise that grows with community support and customer loyalty. In workshops, online tutorials, maker markets, or social media branding, sharing the process of transformation, from rough board to finished piece, not only builds emotional connection, but helps customers feel like they are part of the solution rather than passive consumers. The simplicity and accessibility of reclaimed would make this journey possible even for people with limited tools, small spaces, or minimal previous experience. Whether working in a backyard shed, basement corner, or professional workshop, makers can build functional pieces that hold meaning and stand as proof that small-scale craftsmanship is alive and thriving. Instead of waiting for the perfect time, perfect equipment, or perfect conditions, someone can begin today with what they already have, wood that others overlooked, and a vision of shaping it into something better. Little by little, one project at a time, a passion can evolve into supplemental income, then into serious revenue, and eventually into a full career rooted in creativity and personal identity. It proves that success doesn't always require new materials, complex designs, large investments, or industrial production. Sometimes, all it takes is the decision to see value where others see nothing, to build purpose from scrap, opportunity from limitation, and a meaningful livelihood from pieces of wood that once had a different life. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.